Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd maths lesson number 4 subtraction. In that we are going to learn exercise number 4G. Okay, now let us see children. Last class we learned first one, second one, third. Now we are going to learn fourth one. Ravi took a loan of rupees 8,000. He took total loan 8,000. After 1 month he paid 2,470. After 1 month he paid 2,470. And after 2 months he paid rupees 3,225. What amount loan is still left? First step you have to do children. 8,000 minus first month he paid this much. In that answer minus again you have to do the subtraction of this. Now fourth one, 8,000 total loan he took 8,000. After 1 month he paid 2,470. First we have to do this. 8,000 minus 2,470 you have to do. 0 minus 0, 0 will come. Okay, 0 minus 7 you can't do. You have to take borrow. But from this 0 you can't take any borrows. That's why again you have to cut this. Right there 7. Here 10. Cut this 10, 9 and 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Step 1 answer. Okay. Now you have to do step 2 answer. Step 2 solution. Step 2 is equal to step 1 answer minus after 2 months he paid 3,225. You have to do this. Then step 1 answer is this. 5,530 minus after 2 months he paid 3,225. Now you have to do the subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Answer 2,305. Loan is still left in a bank. Loan is still left. Okay, still left in a 2,305. Loan is still left. Okay, now we'll go for the fifth one. Fifth one, Pradeep had rupees 8,500. Total he was having the rupees 8,500. He purchased a watch worth. He was having the watch. He purchased the watch 2,640. And again he purchased the shoes. It was the 2,250. Then how much money is left with the Pradeep? Okay, that we have to remove. Pradeep had rupees 8,500. First he purchased 2,640. What he purchased a watch. First you have to do this subtraction. Okay, then we have to go for the solution. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 6. 4 minus 6. 14 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. Remaining about this. Again he purchased shoes. Then answer remaining amount, step 1 answer plus minus this you have to do. Remaining amount is a 5860 minus he purchased shoes. Again he purchased the shoes. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Answer remaining amount with Pradeep is money left with Pradeep rupees 3610. Now next sixth one is, in a village of 7567 peoples are there. Total peoples 7567 are there. In that men, total men 3217 are there and 2948 are women's, means ladies, and men means gents. Women's are there 2948 and the rest are children, and remaining, how much remaining don't know, but that all are children. Find the number of children in the village. Okay, find the number of the village in a village. Then total people minus total men. Whatever answer will come, in that you have to subtract total women's. Okay, we have to do that. Total people, 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Step 1 answer. Step 1 answer minus total women 2948. 4350 minus 2948. 4, 10, 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 13 minus 9, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Answer, 1402 children are in the village. Now next one is this way. Seventh one, subtract the sum of 2615 and 1735 from the sum of 4215 and 2575. You have to subtract. First you have to do these two addition, then you have to write the from. Then again you have to do these two addition, and whatever answer will come, that you have to write. Then from this answer minus this answer you have to do. Let us solve now. First you have to do the sum of these two numbers. We'll do the 2615 plus 1735. 5 plus 5, 10. 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 6, 13. 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our first answer. Now we have to see the sum of these two. Okay, we'll see the sum of these two. 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, 5, 7, 5 plus 5, 10, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer of these two. Then now you have to do subtract 4,350 minus 6,000. Subtract 4,000 from 6,790. Then first you have to write the 6,790 minus 4,350. 0, 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 4, 2. We'll get this answer. Okay children, I hope you understood today's all maths.